My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. I worked at IRS for a decade. The reason you need to listen to me, I was a former IRS agent, so what I tell you is really important because I give you insider tips on almost all of my videos. I've been in private practice for 41 years. Obviously, I'm involved in representation. I've been on all the major stations. If you want to learn about me, just go to my website at 777irs.com. I don't like to spend a lot of time really just talking about me. You're here to listen to what I have to say. If you have a LT11 notice from IRS or a 1058 notice, either one, basically IRS isn't saying, hey, guess what? We haven't received your payment for overdue taxes and we intend to seize your property or rights to your property, and you must contact them immediately. That's exactly what you need to do, or IRS is going to do exactly what they said they're going to do on that letter. I used to do this for a living, so I'm trying to help you to stop this action from happening. IRS is going to take your bank account and or your wages and or file a federal tax lien. Basically, IRS is saying, this is it. We're not going to send you any more letters, and boom, we're sending these out. You must take action with the CP 504 and these letters. This is IRS's slap in the face to you, buddy. You better wake up or it's coming. IRS knows where you bank at because they keep all your levy information and wage information and 1099 on IRS's portal. You can find out what it is. Go to your IRS transcripts and look at your wage and income information. You'll see where the places that they're going to levy. How do you stop this? You got to have a plan. You got to call IRS. I could call IRS in now and probably get that levy released. I can at least stop it, and then we could go ahead and work on a resolution. How is your case going to be resolved? Very simply, IRS wants a financial statement on the call. But if you call them, you're going to wind up probably with a payment agreement you don't want. Why? You have to know why. IRS's financial statement, when you give it to them, they're going to ask you for your assets. They're not going to seize any, at least right now. They probably won't. But they're going to want your income and your expenses. With that said, IRS is not going to allow your expenses. They're going to say, no, we've got to use the expenses set forth by the Department of Labor. If you want to find out what they are, go into the IRS national standards and you'll find out for yourself what expenses IRS is going to put there and move yours out. Many people who call, I'd say over 80% call me back, says I should have used you. Now I got a payment agreement. I can't afford. Can you do something about it? Anyway, I'm just telling you, you have to, whether you call anybody who you want, call yourself. Make sure you act on this letter because IRS is going to open a can on you. Thank you very much. If you need anything, let me know. Give me a subscription. I'm available most of the time. Thank you.